I settled the case in the Surrogate's Court today. How did it happen? Well, negotiations have been taking place over the past several months, and today's the second court appearance. The reason the court appearance was requested by the other side was in an effort to set up some adversarial proceeding. We had been negotiating, negotiations broke down. The other side said, let's get back on the court calendar. And we agreed. Today, we used the framework of our settlement, and with the assistance of the surrogate, that's the judge that presides over the Surrogate's Court, surrogate conferenced the case. Then we went outside with the assistance of an attorney that works for the judge. That's a law secretary or a court attorney referee. In this instance, we went back and forth, and the case was settled. Cooler heads prevailed on both sides. Some give, some take, some circumstances, but that's how you settle, right? So I'm asking for $100 and the other side wants to give 90. Do we always split in the middle, 95? No, we might still get the $100, but we give up something later. Or we get the $100, but we get it 4 months from now rather than now, right? So there's always a circumstance. There's always a push and a pull, and you work within a framework, right? So if, silly example, looking for $100, but if I'm looking for $100 and it costs me $50 to get it, well, then maybe I back away. Maybe $90 costs me, $2 to get. So in effect, I netted more. So it really depends, right? That's how you have to look at, often enough, you have to look at situations cool and calm in a dispassionate manner. And you take into account the other side's arguments, your arguments, what could be demonstrated, what are you looking for, and what is it that you can achieve with less involvement of the court. So for both sides today, if we had not made the settlement, there would have been written work on both sides, a motion from the other side to extract some relief from the court. We would have opposed that. There would have been argument on it, and then possibly even a hearing on that aspect. Would that have given the other side an amount closer to what they were looking for? Possibly. Would it have given my client less than what they were supposed to get? Probably. Whereas we were able to take in all of that information and then resolve it. In a way, I think very favorable for both sides. We were able to proceed to dispose of property and then divide it. And so there's no more controversy about who can sell, and the numbers, the amount that the other side was looking for. We were able to consent to an a stipulated amount. So victory for all sides, right? Really a win-win-win. I don't know if there are 3 people involved, but win for all. Win for all and all for win.